It's definitely safer here. Corgi sanitizing ka natin. So we're now inside a room here at Quest Hotel and Resort. By the way, ang bino ko pala is a deluxe room and nabook ko to in Agoda because the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, we have a discount code OAW Agoda. So if you use that code, you can get up to 10% off and maximum discount is $100 or 5,900 pesos. And pagpasok mo sa room, on the right side, meron dyang wardrobe. Of course, you can hang your clothes here. Pwede rin kayo magplansya dito. For your valuables, may safety deposit box. And may minibar din dito, may mini refrigerator. And right across the wardrobe is the toilet and bath. Napapakita ko maya-maya. Check muna natin yung main bedroom. So meron tayong luggage rack. Doon pala sa nagtatanong kung anong luggage yung gamit ko, it's from National Geographic. So if you want a luggage like this, lagay ko na din po yung link sa video na to. And our room comes with 2 double beds. And right across the beds is a smart TV. So pwede po kayo dito mag-YouTube or Netflix. At kung mahilig po kayo magkape, meron ditong coffee and tea setup. So may electric kettle, may complimentary coffee, may tea, of course may coffee cups, and may complimentary drinking water. And of course, our room is air-conditioned. And if you're bringing work here, may Wi-Fi po sila. Check natin yung speed mamaya. And this area can also be a work area. And pwede rin tong vanity area. By the way, they have an in-house restaurant here. And pwede rin kayong mag-in-room dining. And by the way, our room is on the 14th floor. And check natin yung view natin from here. Quest Hotel is in a good location. It's located in the Central Business District. So as what you can see, may mga corporate offices dyan. And ang maganda pa dito, napakalapit lang din ng Ayala Malls. And check na natin yung toilet and bath. And the toilet and bath is neat and clean. For me, medyo limited lang yung space ng toilet and bath, but it's okay. Sobrang linis naman. And lahat naman ang kailangan natin nandito. So, nandyan yung shower area. Of course, may hot and cold shower. May provided na bath gel, shampoo, and conditioner. So, may dental kit, may sanitary bag, and this is a vanity kit. And meron din tayong hand soap. It's very nice of Quest Hotel. They're cutting down on single-use plastic. Okay, we're done with the room tour here at Quest Hotel. Actually, ang bino ko is a deluxe room with king bed. However, ang aga ko dumating kanina, mga 12:30 p.m. nandito na ako sa Quest Hotel. And very accommodating sila dito, from the security guard to the bellboy hanggang sa reception. And actually, the reception, si Ian informed me na may available na naman na deluxe room. However, 2 beds. So, umokay na ako doon para makapag-check-in na tayo agad dito. So, imagine, check-in talaga dito is 3 p.m. However, pina-check-in na ako at around 12:30 p.m. And as someone who has tried a couple of hotels here in Cebu City, halos lahat ng hotels na napuntahan ko dito sa Cebu, walang smart TV. And it's only here sa Quest may smart TV. So for me, so far, I really find Quest Hotel value for money hotel because nabuko to at a very affordable price. So hindi ako masyado na-expect about this hotel. However, so far for me, everything's okay dito sa Quest Hotel. Binaway na buko to sa Agoda because the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, we have a discount code which is OAW Agoda. So, if you use that code in any hotels worldwide, you can get up to 10% off. And since nasa Cebu na rin po tayo, plug-in ko na rin po. If you're in Cebu and you're flying with Sunlight Air, I'm also part of Sunlight Air Squad. So, you can get 10% off on your flights if you'll use my code OAW Sunlight 10. So ngayon baba tayo, I'm really hoping na konti yung tao so that I can show you the amenities of this hotel. And nasa labas na pala ng room natin yung water refilling station. And being an affordable hotel, I was really surprised na maganda rin yung hallways dito sa Quest Hotel. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa second floor and check natin yung pool. So, there's the designated smoking area. Very nice yung smoking area dito, parang garden. And we're now at the pool area of Quest Hotel. If you have kids, matutuwa sila dito. There's a kiddie pool. Very nice pala itong building ng Quest Hotel. Very neat and clean. Color white. And there's the reception area. And it's nice here, Babylon's self-service check-in kiosks. Dito tayo ngayon sa labas, and there's the entrance of Quest Hotel. So we're currently walking, and punta tayo sa Ayala Center City. So if you're staying sa Quest Hotel, labas lang kayo, then tawid lang kayo, makikita nyo dito yung flyover, then lakad lang kayo sa gilid ng flyover, then over there may pedestrian. Okay, we're now on the other side. And as what you can see, yung white building na yan is the Quest Hotel. So let's continue walking. Personally, mas gusto ko maglakad-lakad dito sa Cebu City compared sa Manila. Maraming foreigners dito kasi it's definitely safer here than Manila. So may terminal pala dito, going to Labangon. Pero hindi tayo pupunta dyan. Punta tayo sa mall. So we're now here sa Ayala Mall. Siguro mga it took us 4 minutes to get here kasi nag-video-video pa ako. Sobrang love ko talaga yung Ayala Malls. As what you can see, they're animal friendly. Marami naman stray dogs sa nag-afternoon nap dito. Okay, bago tayo matulog, nakalimutan ko pala sabihin kanina that if you're staying here, they don't ask for incidentals or security deposit. And if you're a senior po or you're a PWD with mobility concerns, this hotel is also senior and PWD friendly. May ramp naman going inside the hotel, and at the same time, may mga elevators din. And by the way, if you're staying in Cebu for leisure and you're planning to book tours, you can also book tours in Agoda, and I'm also sharing my discount code for activities, for tours, transfers, eSIMs. Just use the code OAWACTIVITY for additional discount. And if you're a Klook user naman po, meron din po akong Klook Kreator shop where I've put together hotels. Meron din mga activities, may mga tours, airport transfers, and other travel essentials. Just visit my Klook Kreator shop. It's oawtravel.com. Pwede nyo rin pong scan yung QR code dito para ma-redeem nyo po yung mga discount coupons. And if you work remotely, they also have a Wi-Fi here. So there's our speed test result. It's 9.4 Mbps. They have buffet traffic reminder here. So as it gets late, mas nagiging busy yung buffet breakfast. Ay, simulan natin yung breakfast natin with salad. And bago sa akin to, pork guisante stick pa natin. Oh. At syempre, di mawawala ang simple chorizo. Okay naman chorizo dito, pero mas gusto ko yung chorizo sa PD Hotel and Seda. And bago tayo mag-quick review, yung buffet breakfast dito, surprisingly, maluwag yung buffet breakfast, hindi masyado madami yung tao, which I really appreciate. Medyo hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung luto ng chorizo, baka kasi boiled. But nonetheless, the rest of the food in their buffet breakfast are delicious. And again, maluwag yung buffet, which is I really like. And let's now proceed with our quick review. As what I've said in this vlog, this is in Central Business District. So maganda tong Quest Hotel. This is centrally located. And just across is the Ayala Mall, yung Ayala Terraces. And if you're planning to go to New Star, Cebu IT Park, or SMC side, SM City Cebu, may grab car naman dito. So very convenient. And since this is in CBD, if you're here for business, perfect tong Quest Hotel for you. Next is the room. So I booked our deluxe room here at Quest Hotel, and as what I've shown you, spotlessly neat and clean naman tong room natin. And I was also surprised kasi very comfy yung bed dito and pillows. Masarap na matulog dito and magpahinga. Most of the time, nakahiga lang ako dito just resting. So if you're staying here at Quest Hotel, they have a pool here. And if you have kids, matutuwa rin sila dito because meron ding kiddie pool. They also have a pool bar. As for the food, they have a restaurant here kung saan tayo nag-buffet breakfast kanina, which is yung pangalan ng restaurant is Puso. And by the way, they also offer buffet lunch here and buffet dinner. Quest Hotel is also a conference center. So if you're holding a conference or business meetings, this is also a good option. And next is the service. This is my fourth hotel already in Cebu City. And this is actually the most affordable among the hotels that I've tried so far. So I really had low expectations of the service here. But surprisingly, ang ganda ng service nila dito. Maganda yung experience upon arrival. May sasalubong na agad sa'yo na bellman. The guard is very warm and accommodating. The reception was friendly as well. Pina-check-in ako agad kahit maaga ako dumating. And every time you bump into a staff here, they never fail to greet you and smile at you. And I should say the service here is at par with Bay Hotel. Maganda rin yung service doon. And of course, the Philly Hotel at New Star. And next, the value for money. So if you're looking for a hotel na nasa CBD and at the same time, hindi gaano kamahalan, but may buffet breakfast na, may okay na rooms, and magandang service, I should say you really get the value of your money here at Quest Hotel. As for the rates, unfortunately, hindi ko pa mabibigay yung exact rates because the rates of hotels are of course dynamic depending on season, depending on days and room availability. So I highly recommend you check out Agoda because the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, if you're using Agoda po, meron din po akong discount code. That's OAW Agoda where you can get up to 10% off if you use that code. And the maximum discount is $100 or 5,900 pesos. And if you're a Klook user naman po, meron din po akong Klook Kreator shop where I've put together hotels. Meron din mga activities, may mga tours, airport transfers, and other travel essentials. Just visit my Klook Kreator shop. It's oawtravel.com. Pwede nyo rin pong scan yung QR code dito para ma-redeem nyo po yung mga discount coupons.